So sometimes when I'm sketching ideas, I'll go side of the pencil so I can use my whole arm, and so I can see the tip of the pencil. You'll see that in stick figures with style too. You don't want to hold the pencil like this and then you can't see what you're doing. You want to get it out on the end where you can see the tip of the pencil and see what's going on. And then this could be a cylinder. Another circle here, another disc here for the, and then the wheels down here. And then there's a little cockpit for the guy. Okay, then we can just be loose with the a little bit of our cleanup. Get the sticks in there. So you want to spend a little time doodling out some ideas for your sketch, for your painting you're going to do. The little goggles, maybe I'll draw his scarf kind of hanging out. I'm really inspired by all the clouds here, but we could, in our watercolor wash, I'll show you how I'll approach that, where you can get a cool effect for the clouds, and maybe have the other plane in a silhouette off in the distance here. Just can't see it real well, but it's just another little silhouette of a plane. And that'll be, actually, I think that's a winner right there. That's going to be one of my paintings. I like that. I have this old truck that my dad gave me. You know, it's like a Ford. It's like an old 50-something Ford. A tow truck. It's even got tools in the back. This is cool. But we'll break it down into simple shape. And really it's just a box along the bottom here, a rectangle, and then with a smaller rectangle on top, and then some ellipses for the wheels. And then you add on the little boxes for the fender wells on the side. And let's rough it in really quick. Just draw a box to start with. We can start getting in some of the form, and I'll take my kneaded eraser and knock that back a little bit, but I can still see it, and I have a road map. And then I'll sharpen up my pencil and start adding a little more detail to the truck. You know, I usually just start with the front, look at the headlights and the shape of the grille, because maybe you're doing this illustration, it's important to somebody that it looks kind of like a Ford, so you want to, you know, get some of those shapes going on in the grille. This is a little bit of an arch and a big circle, and it has like this little shape that comes down. Maybe this is a Chevy. I don't don't know. Someone will correct me, because if we're on the internet, someone's going to correct you. And go, that's not a board. So now you kind of cartoonize your truck and break it down into simple form.